When everyone was still sleeping, Anna's day had already started.
I need to prepare breakfast and lunch first. David needs coffee. Luka needs lunch. Lucy likes small fruit pieces. Lucy does not like big apple pieces. Luka is always hungry after school. Lunch is ready, but I still need to make breakfast and iron David's shirt. I am running out of time.
Anna, where is my breakfast? I have a meeting soon, and I am very hungry.
I am cooking eggs, David. I am also ironing your blue shirt. Please wait a little.
Mom, I need my green jacket. Can you wash it now? I want to wear it to school.
Luka, I washed clothes last night. Your jacket is still wet.
But Mom, I need it. And I also want money for a new toy car after school.
Anna, my coffee is not on the table. Why is everything so slow today?
David, I only have 2 hands. I am cooking, ironing, and helping the children.
Mom, do you want me to help you? You look very tired.
Lucy, sit down. Your mother can do it. These house jobs are not hard.
David, what did you say?
I mean, you just press buttons. Washing machine, rice cooker, coffee machine. It is not like my job.
Then you can do it.
Do what, Mom?
You can do my work for 5 days.
Anna, what are you doing?
I am going to Aunt Clara's house. You said my work is easy, so you can be mom for 5 days.
Mom, who will cook for us? And who will wash the clothes?
David will cook. David will wash the clothes. David will take care of the house.
Are you serious? I have to go to work.
Take a holiday, David. Goodbye.
Dad, Mom really left.
Do not worry, children. Mom is just tired about some things.
But she looked angry too.
Maybe Mom needs rest. Think of this as a chance for her to relax.
So Mom is taking a rest?
Yes, Mom will rest. And we will take care of the house.
So today you are the house manager? Dad, what will we eat?
Easy. Chocolate ice cream.
For breakfast.
Yes. No rules today.
Mom never lets us eat ice cream in the morning. Maybe Mom has a reason.
Lucy, relax. One day of fun is okay.
Laundry time. This is easy. Clothes go in, soap goes in, button goes on.
Dad, why are your work shirts pink?
What? Pink?
Your white shirts look like candy.
My meeting shirts. They are all pink.
My socks are pink too. My towel is pink too. That is funny.
Luka, this is not funny.
I cannot go to work in a pink shirt.
I am hungry. Ice cream is gone. I am hungry too. Chocolate is not real breakfast.
I cannot cook rice. I cannot cook soup. I will order pizza.
Pizza for lunch? Great.
Hello? Pizza delivery. Here is your pizza. Thank you.
This pizza is very good.
Pizza is fast, but Mom usually gives us soup, rice, and vegetables. After lunch, can my friends come here?
Let them come. I can manage children.
Wow, Luka, your house is so beautiful.
My mom is not home. We can play freely.
Oh no, my Lego house. It's going wild, so messy.
Oh no! The cat is near Mom's vase.
You are a very bad cat. Look at this mess. Luka, catch the cat.
Milo, come back! Stop running!
The cat is under the table.
I can catch him!
I catched you.
Sorry, we have to go now. Go, but the room is a mess. My mom is waiting for me.
What happened here?
Mom's vase. It is broken.
Oh no, the vase with the white flowers. Anna loves that vase.
Sorry, Dad, this is very bad.
It is okay. I will clean it.
You are not angry, Dad?
No. Go to your room and rest. I will take care of it.
But there are many things, Dad.
I can do it. Go on.
There is still so much to clean. Anna does this every day. I am so tired.
It is too quiet without Anna. I thought her work was easy. I was wrong. This house is clean now, but it feels empty without her. Today, I will do better. No more pizza. We will cook a real meal.
Luka! Lucy! Wake up! We are going to the supermarket.
Supermarket? Can I buy a toy car? Dad, are you really going to cook?
Yes. And this time, I will try to do it right. We will cook real food.
Good, Dad. We need vegetables, chicken, bread, soap, and fruit.
Which green vegetable goes in soup?
Mom usually buys broccoli for soup. Dad, one broccoli is enough.
Right, one. I almost bought a forest. Why are there so many kinds of chicken?
Mom buys chicken breast. It has no bones. That one has bones, Dad.
Chicken breast. No bones. I remember now.
Soap is more complicated than I thought.
Mom uses different soap for different jobs.
Shopping is not easy when you must remember everything.
Mom remembers everything every week. Dad, how do we cook this?
Easy. Very easy. We just follow an online recipe.
Please do not skip any steps.
I will not. This time, we do it right.
I can watch the phone and read the steps. Step 1. Cut the chicken into small pieces. Dad, please be careful with the knife. Dad, the chicken is too messy. You are not cutting it right.
I know. Small pieces are harder than they look.
Step 2. Wash the vegetables. I can do that.
Step 3. Put the chicken and vegetables into the pot.
Good. We are doing well. Dad, the soup is boiling over. The recipe does not say the soup should jump. It says, add a little flour if the soup is too thin. Oh no.
Flour is everywhere.
Dad, the soup and flour are all over the floor.
This is a big mess.
We need to clean the floor right now.
Oh no! The soup is burning! Turn off the fire, Luka!
Dad, I cannot see anything. There is flour in my eyes. Dad, please be careful. The floor is full of bubbles.
Why is the floor so slippery? I only wanted to clean it.
You use dish soap, Dad. That is not for the floor.
My socks are wet. My shirt is white. My stomach is empty. This is the worst day ever.
I thought cooking and cleaning were easy. I was very wrong.
Mom does this every day, Dad. She must be so tired.
We must find your mother. We must say sorry.
But where is Mom?
She is at Aunt Clara's house. Get in the car now.
Yes, Dad. Mom needs to know we love her.
David? Luka? Lucy? Why are you all covered in flour?
Anna, everything went wrong at home. The shirts turned pink, the vase broke, and the kitchen is a disaster.
I am sorry, Mom. I ran in the living room and the vase fell. Mom, I tried to help, but it was too much for me.
Anna, I was wrong. I said your work was easy, but now I know it is very hard.
Your words hurt me, David. But I am glad you understand now.
Please come home, Anna. We do not need a maid. We need you, and we will help.
What will change?
I will cook, wash clothes carefully, and never call your work easy again.
I will put my toys away and stop asking for things when you are busy. I will help set the table and fold small clothes.
I do not need perfect helpers. I need a family that sees me.
We see you now.
Dinner is simple, but it is made with love.
Mom, your soup feels like home. Mom's work is love.
Anna, I am sorry. From now on, I will help you every day.
I love you all so much.
A clean house does not happen by magic. A happy family grows when everyone helps and shares.